comparison, comparing, okay, between process builder and the workflow. As you've seen, why we will use there is one automation tool process workflow. Then you will ask why we need to go process builder. See, there are some limitations in the process workflows. Like in workflows, we can only do an 4 actions. We can create a task, only task object can be created, and we can email and these things, outbound message and field update we can do. Here, there are 8 types, 8 types we can do. We can charter post the charter post, those things. One more update, one thing, we can create all the object records. We can create records, all the object records we can create, but in workflow we can create only task. Okay, here are the some comparison for those things. You can see here available to see the process visually. Yes, we can see, but we cannot see here in workflow. We can only create that thing, but we can update the field on the record. Yes, we can do update in process builder and workflow also. Update the fields on the related record. You can see we can update the child record also and parent record also. But when it comes to the process builder, we can only whichever object we are selected, that parent or that object only, that records only we can update. Here we can create record at process builder, but we cannot, only we can create in workflow. We can only create the task records. We can send email. Yes, in process builder we can send email, and workflow also we can send outbound message. In this is one major advantage, disadvantage in process builder. We cannot send the outbound message in the process builder, but we can send the outbound message in the workflow. Case insert update an id field. Yes, we can do. We can update the id field also. In workflow we cannot do. Okay, we can launch flow in process builder but not in workflow. Invoke the apex class. Yes, we will do in process builder, not in workflow. We can submit record for the approvals. Okay, yes, we can do in process builder but we cannot do in workflow. Post a charter post, that we can do in process builder, not in the workflow. When it comes to the support time based action, we can both in time same in how we done in workflow time based action. Here also in process builder we can maintain the time based action. Control the order of process steps. Yes, we can steps like one first steps after this here you can see, right? In process builder we can set up the steps. First, if its opportunity is notified, then we will set an evaluate next criteria. We can using this evaluate the next criteria. We can, so then when by clicking on this evaluate the next criteria, that it will pass to the next, whichever criteria we given, that criteria will be executed and action will be executed and those things will be taken and it will be stopped. Okay, we can put the steps also in the process builder. Then it comes to the support bulk record insert. Yes, in most of situation we can using process builder we can do, and in workflow also we can do. These are the comparison. Please note these things. It will be helpful you in interview. They will ask what are the things we can do, what are things we cannot do. Comparison they will ask in the interview. And certification also one more like question one or two, not much question will be appear for this, but it will be rarely it will they will ask. Then it comes to the this is about the comparison between workflow and process builder. And they will ask in interview also, like what are the things you can do in the process builder. For that you need to say, like we can create a record and comparison. This is the comparison. When they will ask what are the things we can do in the process builder, then you need to mention these 8 actions, like creating record, updating the record, posting a charter, quick actions, launching the trigger flow. Flow is one of the automation tool that will be, I will explain in next session. Then it comes to the, we will submit a record for approval also. And calling the apex trigger or apex class, we will do that thing using process builder and invoke the another process also. This is about the process builder, and these are the things they will ask in the interview. And here are the some steps I given for you. Based on that, these action, what are the action, please go through this and work on those some more examples also, that will help you to understand much more concept on the process builder. Okay.